Greetings in the name of Yahuwah and his son Yahusha Hamashiach. My name is Malak Shalomo, aka King Solomon, and I'm gonna do a trade recap on Nvda. My trade on Nvda today. Today is the 4th of January 2023, and I haven't done one of these in a while, man, so I'm a little rusty, you know what I'm saying? Excuse me. So y'all bear with me, right? Because I was doing some paper trading. I went back to simulator and try and get my trading psychology together and practice my strategy properly, and just to become a better trader without the pressures of making money and losing money, you know what I'm saying? So I took some time off to just practice my strategy and to keep my mindset in the right frame of mind, you know what I'm saying? So let's jump into this. Excuse me. Alright, let me grab my epic pen. Alright, so wait, hold on. Let me make this bigger. Alright, so this is the Nvda 5-minute chart, and the previous day's value area high, the money zone level, was at this level right here, which is, let's see, 144.79. The value area low was 143.65. Let me just point that out, that white line right there. And today we have a kind of, well, it is a lower value relationship where the value area high is now lower than the previous day's value area low. So let's see what level that was. So the value area high today is 143.52. The value area low is now 141.83. Right, so that's that right there. Alright, cool. So with this kind of setup, right, I'm looking for, you're supposed to be looking for shorts, right? But with the gap up in price, right, it's kind of, it's bucking against what the indicator is trying to show you, right? So it's looking bullish at the start, but yet still we're getting this rejection up here and the sell-off, right? So I waited a little bit just to see what price would do, and then I entered here and went short, but this was kind of like a break-even trade. But let me go to my execution platform, which is Dash Trader Pro, so you can see that. Right, so I entered short here at 950 at 145.65. So we broke down, pushed back up a little bit, and then we broke down again and pushed back up. So I stopped out here at 145.57. Excuse me. So then when looking at the how the price is moving, right? So the short is looking like it's getting support here, right? So let me go back to this chart right here, right? Right, so excuse me. So when price is getting support, right, it's getting support around this value area high level, right, which could indicate like a reversal. But then again, let's see, the reversal could happen around this time here, right, at around, like, no, this is too early, like around 10:30, around this area. But anyway, we'll get to that. Let me just talk about this break-even trade. So the trade kind of bounced off VWAP right here, so I broke even on that first trade, right? Then I went long off of the value area high right here, right? So when it touched here, bounced up, I went long, right? But Then price pulled back on me. So let me go to Dash Trader Pro so you can see that. Right, so I went long right here at 144.30 and price pulled back on me, so that was a losing trade, and I stopped out at 143.03. right? So went long again here at 143.70. So all this is around the value area high level. Let me go back to this chart so you can see that. Right, so these trades are happening at the value area high level, right? Where I'm trying to go long at this level right here, right? Which is around 143.52. Right, so went long again at 143.69 and got stopped out here at 142.87. So I was looking at it. It's looking like it's going to reverse. We're at the initial balance time, which is 10:30. That's the first hour of trading. So as you see, we start getting that reversal signal. So I went long again, right? And this time I got it up to, let's see, what is that? 145.39. So I went long here from 143.12 to 145.36, right? So the reason I really took this off here, because you see price went higher, right? I was trying to get to like 147.50. This was actually my target, right? But I started seeing a lot of bids coming in on the tape, right? Looking at the time and sales, and then you see in this wick rejection right here, I decided, you know what? Let me just come out. Let me just take my profit, because it's kind of covering some of these losses here, right? This was a break even. This was slightly profitable, I think. Yeah, slightly profitable. This one was a loss. This one was 2 losses, right? So it's kind of like a recovery trade. So I didn't want to like push it, you know what I'm saying? So all in all, it was a decent day. I read the tape a lot, and just kind of practicing to get back in, you know what I'm saying? So all this is live trading now, no more paper trading, and it's going well. It's going good. It's going good. And let me see here. Yesterday I had a trade on Tesla. Let me see if I could bring that back up. All right, so this is yesterday's session. And I actually do like on TradingView. My broker doesn't support, like TradingView doesn't support my broker, so I can't really show executions. Excuse me. I can't show executions, live trades on like TradingView. So I kind of simultaneously do the paper trading here as well, but I can't show proof of this Tesla trade because every day the buy and the sell signals, like those arrows I'm showing you. Let me show you. Right, so these go away like after every day, right? So it refreshes. So I can't really show you yesterday's trade, but I can show you on TradingView the exact same thing that I did. All right, so yesterday we had like it was like a overlapping higher value with the pivots, the pivot levels. Wait, hold on, let me just show you one at a time, because this might be a little confusing. Right, so this money zone level here is an overlapping higher value, right? But we had this gap down open, so it's rejecting that higher value. Like if price is supposed to search for higher value, which is it should open around here and like look and start pushing up, right? But we had this gap down, so I went short here and covered down here. So basically a simple trade. This was kind of like a trend, well, not kind of, this was a trend day down because we moved down a lot, and I just covered here. I think this was, let me see, right? So the break above lower VWAP, which is that green line right there, that's when I covered the trade. So, and this one I took the breakdown of this level right here. So these two candles, the bottom of these two candles, I took the short right here and took it down until it just break above here, and then I was out the short trade, you know what I'm saying? Covered right there. So all in all, the year is starting good. It's looking good. I'm just trying to like not get too frustrated with it because, you know, it's a bear market. Things are kind of tricky and stuff like that, but I gotta persevere, you know what I'm saying? Because a lot of traders, a lot of people start trading and then they quit like after some losses, you know what I'm saying? So I'm gonna persevere because this is something I really love doing. So I want to make it like a career, you know what I'm saying? So I'm gonna stick with it. All right, y'all, that's it. Ain't no more to show really. Let's see. Let me show the 15-minute chart. All right, so this is something I also was looking at with this Nvda trade, because the volume point of control is this white dotted line right here, right? And you could see like that correlates with the value area high and the POC level on the money zone. So let me show you that. Right, so you can see as price is pulling down here to the POC level, which is this red line slash, I guess, kind of pinkish line, and this green line right here, this is the POC area of the money zone, right? So we were catching that support at 10:30, which is the initial balance time, right? And it correlates with price testing this volume point of control on this volume indicator I have here, right? So it was just more correlation, and then you're seeing a lot of buys coming in on the bid, I mean on the time and sales. So it was a nice reversal trade. I should have held it longer, but I kind of decided just to clear my losses and get a little profit because of the bids that started to, like, I guess the sellers were trying to defend their position. So they started like slamming on the bid, you know what I'm saying? Slamming on the bid, like I guess they're slamming the shorts, you know what I'm saying? So I was kind of hoping to ride the short covering, but I kind of chickened out from there, man. When I saw all those bids start slamming with heavy size, I was like, man, let me just chill out. Let me just take my money and get out of here, you know what I'm saying? So, yeah, man, that's it, man. I'm gonna start trying to do some recaps every day again, and I'm kind of rusty with this doing recaps and stuff, man. So hopefully I get back into the swing of things, you know what I'm saying? All right, y'all, it's your boy Malak Shalomo, and thanks for watching, man. I'll be back tomorrow trading again, and hopefully this year no paper trading again, no more simulator, just straight trading, live trading, you know what I'm saying? All right, y'all, trade safe and stay blessed.